Here we have the function f of x equal to 3x squared minus 2, and we want to find the slope of the tangent line at x equal to 1. And this is the formula for finding the slope of the tangent line. And so in this case, a will be 1. And since we want slope of tangent line at 1, then in the place of a, we just put 1. And now let's look at the graph, and so we can see what the tangent line looks like. This is the graph for the function f of x equal to 3x squared minus 2. And at x equal to 1, when x is 1, if we put a 1 in here, then we get 3 times 1 squared minus 1 minus 2, which is 1. And so we get the point 1, 1. And so at the, when x is 1, we have a tangent line that passes through the point 1, 1, and it has a slope of 6, which we're going to find. Here this computer program, it found 6, but we have to find it manually. And so again, that's what the tangent line looks like. And so to get the slope of the tangent line, then we have to go through this formula right here. And so first, we need to calculate f of 1. So let's go ahead and copy this first. So f of 1, then in the place of x, we just replace the x with 1. And so again, right here, this says that when x is 1, y is 1. And that's where that point 1, 1, that's why the tangent line passes through the point 1, 1, x1, y1. It is right here, x1, y1. And then next, we need to calculate f of 1 plus delta x. And then in the place of x, we just replace the x with 1 plus delta x. And then let's evaluate this separately. So this just means you write it 2 times and then multiply. One times 1 is 1. 1 times delta x, then we get 1 times delta x. This is delta x times 1, but we'll go ahead and write it as 1 times delta x. And then we have delta x times delta x. That's going to be delta x squared. These are like terms, and so we get 1 plus 2 times delta x. Get the 2 of them, and then plus delta x squared. And so right here we have and so now we replace 1 plus delta x squared with this. And then minus 2. So this would be 3 times 2 is 3 times 1 is 3. And then 3 times 2 delta x will be 6 times delta x. And then 3 times delta x squared, that just be 3 times delta x squared. And then minus 2. And then 3 minus 2 is just 1. And then it's going to be 1 plus all of this. And then now to get the slope, so we have m for the slope. And so f of 1 plus delta x is this. And then minus f of 1 f of 1 is just 1. And then dividing by delta x. And then we have the limit. And then notice right here, 1 minus 1 is 0. And so what's left is just this for the top. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And then dividing by delta x. And then we can separate this right here. And this just means this. So it's the same as, this is just 6 delta x divided by x plus 3 delta x squared dividing by delta x. Six delta x dividing by delta x, which is 6. And then 3 delta x squared dividing by delta x, it would be 3 delta x. And then this delta x approaches 0. This part will approach 0. So we get 6 plus 0 is 6. And so the slope of tangent line is 6. And so tangent line passes through the point 1, 1, and has slope of 6. And again, if we look back at the graph, this is the tangent line at x equal to 1. It passes through the point 1, 1, and it has a slope of 6. So now let's write the equation for this line. So equation of tangent line, then we just use the formula for a line. That would be y equal to slope times x minus x sub 1. So here, y1, this is x1, y1, so we get y minus 1, slope was 6, and then x minus 1. And that's the equation of the tangent line.